ano nyo? Company nyo?
Pagcor.
Matwipe? No?
Pagcor.
Pagcor. Shoutout po sa mga tiga Pagcor dyan. This is Emerson Ignacio, the Seeking Grab driver. Shoutout po sa inyo.
Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here.
Medyo.
If in the dark, losing sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear. 'Cause I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. 'Cause I will listen and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying, and through the weed and losing trying, we'll be together. 'Cause I will be here. Woo. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the future is unclear, 'cause I will be here. Just as sure as season are made for chance, and our lifetimes are made for years. 'Cause I'll be here. I will be here. You can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older. I will hold you and I will be here, and to watch you grow in beauty and tell you all the things you are to me. I will be here, and I will be true, and true the promise I have made to you and to the one who gave you to me.
Shoutout po sa inyo.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning po pala sa lahat ng mga pasahero ko ngayon. Ang gaganda po nila at ang popogi ha.
I'll be here. Well, just as sure as season are made for chance, our lifetimes are made for years. 'Cause I will be here. We'll be together forever. 'Cause I will be here. I will be here.
Yun. Okay na po. Shoutout.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Salamat.
Galing.
Ang aga, no? Ang hirap kumanta pag paaga talaga. Diyos me, yung mareman. Medyo paus pa.